Okay, the second technique is called glazing. This is where you're going to create a transparent layer because you want to adjust the color. Maybe it's a little bit too dark, like say I painted this circle a little bit too dark. You're going to paint a thin transparent layer. So you pick your color, whatever you're going to go over it with, and I've gotten my brush wet in the water. I've even spread it on my, took some of this color, spread it a little thin on my palette, and then I can kind of test it, right, on my canvas. Maybe I've got too much paint or too much water on there. Spread it around, test it, and then I can just start painting it over top of the color. Okay, and it will lighten it a little bit. You still see that other color underneath, but it will tone it down a little bit. And as it dries, you just gotta spread it around. And you can always adjust it. It's always gonna dry a little bit lighter. I can always add a little bit more paint. You know, I can always go, you know, grab a little bit more paint, kind of test it again. Add some more over top of that. And right now it's gonna seem a little irregular, but when you have so many other colors and you're doing modeling on there, you know, you're not going to notice it. So you can kind of see, I mean, I could kind of wipe away what the original was. So you can kind of see the difference, you know, how that just kind of slightly adjusts the value or the color a little bit by glazing a transparent layer over top, just by thinning it with a little bit of water.